Here's a virtual hard drive, and if I double click on it, it should attach it and it should show the contents here on the left side. But instead I received this message: the disk image isn't initialized and please use disk management snap in. Okay, so let's see how to show the contents of that virtual hard drive. Either here in Windows 10, right click the start menu and go to disk management, or in older Windowses, right click this PC and go to manage. Okay, let's try this manage, and if you use manage, then click on disk management again. Okay, and if we enlarge it, here we can see that we have a almost 60 gigabyte partition, which is basically this file. So this one, it is attached, but the other partitions have drive letters as it's visible there, but this one does not have a drive letter, thus it's not shown here. So right click on it and change drive letter and paths. Okay, and add a drive letter. Choose a letter that you want and close it with OK. And now the contents of that file are shown here. If you add the drive letter to that smaller partition then that also will show up here on the left side. So these files and folders are inside this file.